How to map a series of conditions as keys in a dictionary. I know you can use a dictionary as an alternative to a switch statement such as the following. However, if conditions are used, other than equality, equals, which return true or false, these can't be mapped as easily, i.e. the above cannot be directly converted to a dictionary key-value pair as is. A lambda can be used since it is hashable, but the only way to get the resulting string out of the map is by passing the same lambda object into the dictionary, and not when the evaluation of the lambda is true. Does anyone know of a technique or method to create a mapping between a lambda evaluation and a return value? This may be similar to pattern matching in functional language.
Your conditions are sequential in nature. You want to test one after the other, not map a small number of keys to a value here. Changing the order of the conditions could alter the outcome. A value of 5 results in greater than 0.5 in your sample, not it is equal to 5. Use a list of tuples. After which you can access each one in turn until one matches. Reordering the tests will change the outcome. A dictionary works for your first example because there is a simple equality test against multiple static values that is optimized by a dictionary, but there are no such simple equalities available here. You can't use a dictionary to map arbitrary conditionals since more than one of them could be true at the same time. Instead, you need to evaluate each one sequentially and execute the associated code the first time a true one is encountered. Here's an outline of one way to formally implement something like that, which even allows the equivalent of a default column case. Output.
Not directly related, but I often use a paradigm similar to the example below for replacing cascading ifs with a dictionary lookup.
Use the orchard, take assist, sorry.